Buongiorno tutti and welcome to week 3 vocabulary where we'll be visiting Rome. We'll start with I numeri, numbers, and I'm going to read these a little differently because normally I would read a translation so that you get the meaning and the pronunciation of the word. For numbers, I'm just going to count because you'll know the sequence. So let's start. With the numbers 1 to 10, we have uno, due, tre, quattro, cinque, sei, sette, otto, nove, 10. All right. Now the teens. Undici, dodici, tredici, quattordici, quindici, sedici, diciassette, diciotto, diciannove, and now we'll go to the 20s. Venti, ventuno, ventidue, ventitré, ventiquattro, venticinque, ventisei, ventisette, ventotto, ventinove. All right, now I'm going to show you the vocabulary for 30, 40, 50, etc. Because they will follow the same pattern as 20. So we have 30 is 30, 40, 40, 50, 50, 60, 60, 70, 70, 80, 80, 90, 90, and that brings us to our hundreds, thousands, and beyond. Cento is 100, duecento, 200, and so on. Mille, as in grazie mille, is 1,000. Duemila, note there's just one L in that, is 2,000, and so on. So the plural of 1,000 is a little odd. Mille, duemila, tremila, etc. And finally we have milione, a million, which is just a big 1,000. How cool is that? Next, we have some more interrogativi, interrogatives or question formation words. Today we have quanto, how much, as in quanto costa, how much does it cost? The response would be costa, it costs, etc. Quanti, how many. Quando, when. And as a bonus, we have colors. I don't have too much bonus material for you this week because learning your numbers is a pretty big cognitive task and it can take a lot of practice and repetition. But if you'd like to add a little color to your conversation, we have giallo or gialla, masculine, feminine, yellow. Azzurro, azzurra, light blue. Blue is dark blue. Note that Italians distinguish between light blue and dark blue as two separate colors the way we distinguish red and pink. So azzurro, azzurra is light, blue is dark blue, and it doesn't change. So blue is blue, masculine or feminine, or plural in fact. Viola is purple, and that also doesn't change. Marrone is brown. Rosa, pink. Rosa also doesn't change for gender. And then we have rosso, rossa, red. Bianco, bianca, white. And nero, nera, black. So you can use all of these adjectives just as you use the nationalities, with the OA as in giallo, gialla, bianco, bianca, changing for gender, and then marrone, not changing because it ends in e, and then blu, viola, and rosa also don't change just because they're special. And that's what I've got for you today. Ci vediamo. Thanks as always, and I'll see you in class.